Belt cleaners are important or necessary simply to remove carryback, prevent material buildup, prevent safety issues and cleaning issues. Some immediate improvements that a customer is going to notice after installation of a cleaner is the lack of carryback. A primary cleaner will get roughly 40 to 60%. A secondary cleaner can get you upwards of 80%. The combination of the two, we can get you close to 90% of that carryback. The key to achieving a desired cleaning performance is maintenance, proper specification for the application, and proper installation. The Martin service technician will come out preferably once a month. Doing routine maintenance in that monthly, bi-monthly stance ensures that the mainframe stays functional, rotational, the blade's not having any excess damage to it or wear pattern, and it's actually wearing properly. Some of the biggest shortcomings for not using a cleaning product: your rollers get packed in, your mainframe starts to rot, you have buildup, carryback, man hours spent doing clean out, fuel maintenance doing clean out, replacing components. There are major shortcomings to not having a cleaning system in place. That's where Martin comes in to take care of the problem. A properly installed cleaner and a properly maintained cleaner will cut your costs on your ROI down dramatically.